Hi everyone! Welcome to Center of Balance Live. I am Amy, the acupuncturist and Chinese medicine practitioner. So today I will be covering the topic about arthritis in the toes. Do you or does anyone you know suffer from toe arthritis? If yes, you can reply yes in the comments. Okay, so arthritis usually attacks joints in the hands, knees and hips, but it can happen to any part of the body where there's a joint, including your toes. So there are 8 common symptoms that you can experience. The first one is the most common and most obvious, which is the pain. You might feel pain in the toes or only in the big toe. It can be deep, achy feeling or a sharp stabbing sensation when moving. The pain degree may be minor, moderate, or severe depending on the level of deterioration or inflammation in the joint. Sometimes it can even stop you from doing your normal daily activities. The second symptom is stiffness. Over time, arthritis will wear away the cartilage between joints, inflame tissues, and damage the synovial fluid, which will make joints stiff and difficult to move or walk. The third symptom is swelling. The inflammation in a joint causes visible swelling. The toes might look red and feel warm to touch. You might notice this after you have been sitting for a while, or after you get out of bed. It might be difficult to put your shoes on in the morning and feel tightness in the toes until you walk around for a while and then the swelling goes down. The fourth symptom is clicking and popping noises. The sounds are caused by the deterioration of the cartilage that usually cushions the 2 bones in a joint, which leads to the bones rubbing against each other, making clicking or popping sounds. Sometimes bone spur can develop, which can also cause the clicks and cracks. The fifth symptom is change in appearance in the joints. As the cartilage wears away and the bone grinds against bone, the body tries to make the situation better. The solution is to create more bone. Even though this might stabilize the joint, but it can also make it look bigger or like it has a bump on it. Sometimes it can even create a curved shape or what people call claw feet. The sixth symptom is heat. Obviously, inflammation brings more blood to the toes, so you might feel some warmth or heat in the area, see redness on the skin around the joints, and they might be tender to touch. The seventh symptom is locked joints. So this can happen when there's so much swelling and stiffness that the joint isn't able to bend at all. Rough edges on the bones and bone spur can also cause the joint to lock up. It might feel stuck and painful. This is usually temporary. You can walk around for a while or try to move the toe to bend again. Now the 8th symptom, which is difficulty in walking. All of these symptoms can make walking extremely painful and difficult. You might be adjusting your gait to try to put less weight on the toes, and some people stop exercising. Unfortunately, these kinds of changes can put the rest of your body out of balance, causing hip or back pain, weight gain, and other issues. So arthritis in the big toes are especially prone to immobility. And before I show you how to do the acupressure point, please share, like, or tag the person you know who needs this information. So today I'm actually not going to teach you a point. I'm going to teach you a very simple but useful trick. You can use this method for arthritis in any finger or toe joint. For example, Pretend this is your left, I don't know if you can see, left foot. Okay, so you have arthritis on the lateral side of your big toe joint of your left foot. You will want to use the acupressure point on the opposite hand, which is the right, and use the same lateral point of the joint on the thumb. And you just massage the point for about 1 minute at a time. So I normally press it 60 times, and you can do 5 sets each time, which is about 5 minutes. You do this multiple times throughout the day. If you're in pain, I would suggest doing it once every hour. And if the arthritis, for example, is on, say, this joint of your little toe on the right foot, then you massage on the same joint on the little finger of the left hand, so always the opposite side. Does that make sense? Let me know in the comments. Alright, so our clinic has 3 locations. The main clinic is in Hamilton, but we also have one in Raglan and one in Auckland. If you're not in our area, we can still help you. We do online consultation exam, then post Chinese herbs and film you step-by-step acupressure point videos for your specific condition. Otherwise, if you like to come in, please go to our website at balancedtcm.co.nz and send us an email to book your appointment now. And I'll see you in the next video.